Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can enable gestures navigation in your Motorola smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, then you have to click on this gestures system navigation, click on gestures navigation, and you can see three dots button are now removed. And how you can press back, you have to swipe right to press back, and if you want to go to home screen you have to swipe upside. This is how you can. And if you want to go to recent tabs, just swipe up and release the button, and you can see here are recent apps. And this is how it works. And if you want to remove it, click on gestures system navigation, click on three dots button, and it is implemented. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.